Beauty begins in your heart and in your soul. If not, cosmetics is going to be useless. And I truly believe that. Well, hello everyone. Welcome. It's Sean. Today, it does my heart great to introduce my favorite friend, Carolyn, CVMakeupLover, into this video with you all today because we are doing a collaboration. How to transform your daytime to nighttime look so you can go from an easy, glowy bronze goddess during the day and then into this queen with a bronzy goddess glow to your skin at night. And we are using Chanel products to show you this look. Definitely check out Carolyn's channel. I will leave it below. CVMakeupLover is all about showing women luxury makeup, and also if you're my skin tone or darker, it's all about helping you find your shade. So I definitely say check out her channel. It's very informative. She does all of these very extravagant, luxurious makeup hauls, and it is exquisite. And I'm hooked. The power of YouTube allows us to leverage so many great partnerships and relationships, friendships, and it's such a wonderful space if done right. And I am so glad that I've made so many really great friends here on the platform, including with my subscribers. So hopefully you all enjoy this video, and hopefully you see the beauty that emanates from Carolyn and myself, from our heart and from our soul to you. I love you all so much. Please subscribe, and we love to love you here. Let's get right into this video. Now going into the Ultra Teint in 103. I've already prepped my skin. This is a beautiful shade, and what I can say about this foundation, it's lightweight. It gives you full coverage. It is matte, but I will say that it has a floral scent, so if you're not into floral scents, then I would skip out on this foundation. A little bit goes a very long way, and the application is very luminous, and it gives me just this beautiful skin-like finish that you all will see. And that's what I love about it. Oh my gosh. My essay also gave me a lighter shade in 101 that I'm showing you here to use as a brightener under my eyes. So that's what I'm going to do. It's close to the concealer shade 91. And because they can't give samples of concealer, he wanted me to see if I'd like this. And I do. I also cleaned my brows with this color as well. So the key here is to make sure that everything is blended. Now I'm going into the 9 Ombré palette. This has beautiful colors like the grays, the gold, the bronzy brown is what warms up to my skin tone. And I'm also going to use the Ombré Premier in Grandeur. This is a beautiful color as well. It retails for $36. And it was from the winter collection. The beautiful vintage motif button that is embossed in the eyeshadow is so stunning. And I'm going to start off though with this gray shade in the 9 Ombré palette. The key with this easy bronzy goddess glowy look, if I could say that, is to make sure that we're using colors that are subtle, that still gives the intensity but does not overpower. When we go into blacks, we're looking at overpowering the eyes, making the eyes look smaller. And so using a gray or a nice brown is going to give you the intensity but not overpower the look, keeping the eyes still open. So that's why I used this shade, and I went underneath with a bronzy brown color. If you're my skin tone, you're gonna love brown as an eyeliner as opposed to a black, I promise you. But, you know, when you're going for this kind of look too, shimmers over mattes definitely is key. So what I'm doing now is I'm mixing that bronzy brown as well as that gray tone on the outskirts of my eye. This is going to help me create this gradient from lighter shade on the inside going to a darker shade on the outside. The key is when you're of a darker skin tone is to place the shadow like in a patting motion where you pack on the color first before you start blending. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm still going to keep the intensity on the outskirts of the eye, but I'm going to blend some of this into my transition area. Remember, when we have hooded lids, we want to come above our natural crease. So we're taking shadows above our lid, above our natural crease, because when we open our eyes, we want people to see the color of the shadows that we're using. And when we're blending, we whisk towards the ear and not downward, because again, we want to look like we have a lot of real estate where we place the shadows. So just blend. Blending with shadows is the optimal key with getting everything looking seamless. I'm using the dual-sided brush from Chanel. Now going in the shade Grandeur, I'm going in with my fingers. This applies more like a cream and it dries down into a powder finish. I love this. It's very pigmented. This was from the winter collection. I'm using a couple of tools here though. I'm using the Chanel brush to blend. I also ended up using the applicator from the 9 Ombré palette that worked like a dream. So keep those. And I'm just making sure that I'm blending bronze gold, easy color that you can use all year round. Once you take that gold above your lid, it looks very effortless. Going to the beach. We're not going for structure here. We're going just for an effortless look. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the La Base. I really love this. This was a sample that I got in my first unboxing, and it's a lot of products, so you definitely will get a lot out of this. So I'm just prepping my lashes for the Chanel mascara. Okay, now going into the Le Volume de Chanel mascara. This one is in the color Noir. I love this applicator, and I'm just going to coat my lashes. This literally makes it look like you have lashes. Now I love this for a daytime look. If you don't want to put on lashes, now you all know I love lashes, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to put on lashes so that you can see how this look will come together even without lashes for a daytime look, and then the nighttime look we'll put on lashes. This really does, if you don't feel like you have lashes like myself, you'd love this because it makes it look like you have lashes, and it's not clumpy. This is a great look for the pool, a great look for brunch, or whatever it is that you're getting glammed up to do. Chanel is all about always being ready. The day that you go out could be the day for destiny, and you want to be the prettiest that you can be. I was reading that in her book. So I do love this look a lot. So I'm going to go into cheeks next with the Rosewood shade. This is what Carolyn had recommended I try first. Has the nice velvet pouch, and I do love this color a lot. I'm going in with my Lancome brush just to dust this onto my cheeks, going from here and taking this outward. And as you can see, this is super pigmented. Ooh. What I do love about this is it just gives you this youthful look to the skin. So pretty, so pretty. I'm gonna go back into this beautiful color in Grandeur, and I'm going to take this as a highlight. So you can also use your gold shades as a highlighter. I'm just gonna go right above my brows with this, bringing it down. What I love about this is it's pigmented but not overpowering. And right here where you see that little dip, that's a great place to put your shadow. You can also use this as a brow bone highlight if you want. Just natural glow. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to highlight my nose, right above my forehead. Again, we just want a bronzy, beautiful look, going right above my Cupid's bow with this color. All right, beautiful friends, moving on to lips. We are using the nude Brun. This retails for about $31. It is a comfortable pencil, quality, a lot of payoff. Comes with a sharpener and a smudger on the other side. One shade darker than my skin tone. My essay picked this out for me. I absolutely love it. And it does work well with the color that I'm going to use next. There is no tugging with this. It's not hard, it's very soft. You know, I love my Estee Lauder pencils, but I'm always sharpening after every use. You don't have to with these. Now going in with the Rouge Duo, and this is in the shade Intense Caramel. This looks good on any skin tone. Lip stain on one end and lip gloss on the other. You all know that I'm a matte girl. I can wear mattes by themselves if it is a good comfortable matte, which this is. And I will tell you, you'll have to take this off with makeup remover because it stays on. So you don't have to go to surgery to get pigment in your lips. Just get one of these lip stains and you'll be fine. But this is just a gorgeous color. I'm doing the Scott Barnes technique, taking that doe foot applicator towards the lip line to give me that fuller, more luscious lip. Now in this video, I am going to show you too with the lip gloss, but look at this as a matte. Now, using the gloss, I'm going to use a lip brush. Because this is a clear gloss and the applicator is white bristles, I just don't want to get that stained. So I'm using a lip brush to apply this lip gloss. It does give you this luminous look to the lips and makes it look luscious. This is just my daytime look and it will work all year round. I hope you all love this. We're going to go into the nighttime look next, but you can wear this with any colors, blacks, golds, bolds, neutrals. This look goes with any color clothing and I absolutely love it. Now let's move to night. All right, moving on tonight, we're going to use the POUPRE BRUN. This is a beautiful purple shade from the Ombré Premier line. And we are just going to go ahead and use this color to intensify the lower lash line. Again, very subtle, gives you the look you want effortlessly, but not overpowering the eye, not closing down the eye. It hurt me to really dig into these eyeshadow palettes, and I saw what everybody was saying. The vintage button embossment in the eyeshadow is so beautiful. Digging around in it is just, it really does pain you. But c'est la vie. I'm using that Grandeur in the inner corner of my eye just to open up the eyes a bit. And I'm adding primer to the outskirt, or the where most people would intensify their look with that outer V. And I'm adding primer because I want that POUPRE BRUN to really be intense when I apply it. All right, friends, so we are going to go into that POUPRE BRUN again, intensifying this look, packing it on top of that primer, and as you all see, I get a ton more payoff. The goal here is when you step into a room, they just automatically see queen. With the makeup, with your personality, with the way that you're dressed. Chanel was all about, and this fashion house is all about, from head to toe, just a cohesive story being told. And I love it. This is me with lashes, and now I am going into lips. Now Chanel loved red lipsticks, and this is the color Ideal from the Rouge Allure Velvet Extreme line. This is $38, but look at this color, my beautiful friends. This would look good on any skin tone, and you all know that I love mattes. You can use a burgundy lip pencil, a brown lip pencil, a red lip pencil, and this color is going to be ideal, just like the name. Taking that lipstick towards the lip line again to give you this fuller, more volumized look to your lip. Not that I really need to, but again, it's a Scott Barnes technique. Whatever he says, I do. I just love him as a makeup artist. And this technique really does work. I'm just cleaning up around my lips just to make sure that everything looks put together. And this is the finished look, my friends. I hope you all love this. I loved how this turned out. I know that Chanel loves pearls, and so I put on my Chanel No. 5 earrings. I know she loves camellias, so I hung a camellia on a key ring, and the Chanel ribbon that my SA gave me on my bag, I just used it as a necklace, and I put some pearls on my wrist. So I just tried to bring this look together for this video, and I hope you all love it. Definitely check out Carolyn's channel and make sure that you check out the sweepstakes below, and I'll see you all in my next one. Ciao for now.